Okay, morning guys. It is about 6:30 on Friday, and we're going to take a look at the Friday morning Muslim market. Goes all the way in through there. Take a look around, see what's here. Expecting to see some different food. Hoping to see some different stuff. There's a cat right there. Let's see what's available here. Beef. All kinds of beef. Doesn't look like prime cuts. Good morning. Oh, this one's cooked, yeah?
Beef.
Beef, beef, beef. Beautiful beef. Sausage. Thank you. Hey, it looks like tamales. Corn, yeah? Well, that would be tamale, yeah? Very similar. Oh, wow. Corn pancake?
Corn.
Same? Same as that one? Oh, okay. Thank you. Something I've never seen in a Thailand market before. Sheep and goat, yeah? You have sheep too? It's frozen, you can see, huh? Look at the little tail. Oh, black chicken.
Black chicken.
Yo, black chicken. Magical powers this one has. Good for when you're sick. Don't mess with a lady who knows how to use a big knife. Look at the size of that cutting board over here. That's big, huh? A duck? Duck, yeah? Very cool. There's produce here I've never seen before. Like most of that. Never seen before. You can eat here too. This is surprising. Selling pork. It's not only Muslim stuff, obviously. But yeah, plenty of produce. I don't know, which I guess is not that hard. There's avocados. Avocado, yeah? Big avocado, yeah? Big, yeah? Look at the size of these. Yeah, I know. They're just trying to sell them. She ain't gonna talk to me. You see this? Only the roots. I don't know what this is. Only the roots. And this one over here, I've seen it 4 or 5 times already. New to me. Pretty cool. Thank you. Some dried beef. She wanted to smile, she wasn't sure if she should. Green mangoes. Guava. A lot of potatoes here. Look at this here. 5-gallon buckets full of fermented vegetables like kimchi, you know? It's not a huge market, but there's a ton of stuff here. Let's go down this way. The size of that wok. You could deep fry a buffalo in there. Oh, kanom.
Hello.
Good morning. I see you again. Look at that, she's got a box full of them. Like curry puff, I think. Spring rolls. Let's go look at the pots. This shrimp curry right here looks good. Some more black chicken. Gai dam. And kimchi. Purple eggplant. The one that most of the world know as eggplant is very rare here. But he's got nice ones. They're not huge. But they look really good. What is this? Fish cracker, yeah? Fish cracker, yeah? Look at the shark.
Fish cracker.
Very nice. These things are addictive. If you've never tried them, you should. I tried them in Malaysia. The guy brought a big bag like this. Put them on my desk. First one I ate, I didn't like it. The second one, I really liked it. You need the patience of a saint. Oh, I get it now. I get it. Bread. It looks like sponge cake. That gets wrapped in egg. And it looks like this. Very cool. She's very serious. Look at this. Oh, there's more in here. A lot of taro here. Whoa. Red daikon. Let's go in here. Peanuts. Steamed peanuts. But you know there has to be bugs, right? Those are crickets. Those are some kind of mealworm type bug. It's not mealworms. Steamed corn, steamed sweet potatoes. Okay, gooseberries. Oh, plums. I found these yesterday. They're hard as a rock. These are ripe. I'll be buying some of them today. I will be getting those. Dried beef. But I don't know what to do this with the duck. That's different. Interesting place for breakfast, yeah? Oil drum tables. That's cool. More black chickens. Back to where I started. Walnuts. That's walnuts. I haven't seen them in years. Never here. Got it. 1 kilo of plums. The lady said they're from China. That's what I expected. There's the cracker guy. I tell you, if you've never had fish crackers, those are shrimp, I think, the ones he has. They're really, really good. Very strange at the start for me, but very addictive. I ate a lot of them in Malaysia. One of the guys I worked with, the village where he was from, specialized in that's what pretty much everybody made. So every time he went home, he came back with a pile of them. He kept me well stocked. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see what else we can find in Chiang Mai. This is a different one. So a lot of stuff here I've never seen before. And some things like walnuts I haven't seen in a very, very long time. And never here.